All right, headed to Sxcs race. Got the RV over in the neighborhood. Got a little troubles getting back at my house, so this is how we have to go. Trek through the woods, only fitting. Heading to an off-road race, that way we just gotta do a little bit of single track to get there. But first things first.
I screwed up Ed's time, but otherwise it was good.
Yeah, that's all right. That's the first time. Now we got it. Now we got it.
It's good. It's rough. And they're sketchy. Like you can't see them. There's weeds growing on them. Yeah.
Which it's important to kind of get that done before the nighttime falls and kind of feel comfortable in that.
I went out there in the daylight.
If you didn't see that and then you go out there at night. So he's going to do one lap and then switch off? Is that?
Adam's doing two.
Okay.
And then I do two.
How was it?
It's going to be a survival game.
Yeah. Rough course?
Horrible rocks. It's all square edged already.
And it's just like starting.
It's horrible.
What, we're in like hour 1?
Yeah.
7 more hours.
Horrible.
Almost wrecked on the other side. So yeah, just go into them and hey!
What's up? How'd that go?
Killing it. It's fun, dude.
Getting darker out there?
Dude, I can't see. Once you get like the black dirt, black rocks, and it starts to get slick, I'm just like, stay between the trees. Just stay between the trees.
At us. So we got rider number 47. Ryan, let me ask you a question. You and I are racing tonight. If you've got a 6-minute lead, what's your plan? I mean, we've got like a little over 5 hours left to go. Just manage? Just try to make that gap bigger?
You get a sandwich. We definitely stop and get a sandwich first.
And a beer.
Yeah. I can tell you. It is what is it?
My co-host of the podcast just showed up.
That's right.
And he suggested to get earlier, which is not a bad idea.
Let's go!
That night, we're going to 2 a.m.
We also have people running them on the herring guards, a lot of different things coming through right now. You got a light bar, you got a helmet light, you have another light bar, you got a dual helmet light. A lot of different things coming through.